Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngan, and my sister's name is Ha. And yeah, in this video, we're actually gonna do a two-color Play-Doh challenge. And we have 5 Play-Dohs here. There's this red one, there's this tan, skin colorish yellow, we have green, and we have brown. And yeah, come on, sit on here after this.
And today we are playing with all these, but we're gonna be blindfolded and using one of these two. We're gonna pick these 2 colors and look at this. We have to make something with these 2.
So how we're gonna do this is one of us is actually first we're gonna rock paper scissors, which we're gonna do right now. Ready?
Yep.
Put your hands up like this. Rock paper scissors shoot. I gotta go first. And we're actually gonna put this blindfold on, and then we're gonna choose randomly 2 ones.
Yeah, but I'm mixing it.
I'm gonna put it on.
Okay. Be quiet of showing this, okay? Done.
Yeah.
I'll put your hands.
This and this.
Okay. Gotta do 2 colors, brown and skin color.
Put on yourself.
Wait, give it here like that. And then let me just put this on.
And I'm gonna cut this until she gets it on. So guys, I got my on, and now she's gonna put her hands. I'm gonna mix it first.
I don't wonder what I'm gonna choose.
Hey.
One. I'm gonna pick. I'll just put this back. Fine, I'll just do this. Oh yay! My favorite colors.
So guys, we're gonna get the equipment, like the things. I don't know what to say to them. And yeah.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we got the intentions or something. So we got this squirting out thing where you put Play-Doh in and it squirts out. And actually, there's also a thing that goes with this.
Squirt out with these.
So you can put this inside here. And then, well, you already know, so skip this part if you already know this. But you could actually have different designs when it comes out, like this squiggly one and this 4 square one. There's a bunch of different ones of it.
And this one is the roller. You just roll it like a roller for these Play-Doh. It's like for rolling for dough, but it's actually Play-Doh.
So we have a spatula, and what we actually do is roll the Play-Doh. What you can do is roll the Play-Doh out, and then you just push it, just using this now to make a design. And then you have a knife. You can actually cut the Play-Doh in half or something to make a part or make equal sides. And you can also use it to take the Play-Doh out.
Also,
it's going to be hard to take
these are the plates, and you put, when you're done with all these materials, you put them in these plates.
When we're done making the item that we want to make, you put it on the plate. And we only have 2. And I also have this cooking thing. I forgot what I stole for
It's for the spatula.
And there's a hamburger thing.
And you get it from this spatula up here.
And there's a bun. And there's also a bun up here. A different one. There's a hot dog. And that's mushroom. And that is onion.
And also, if you close it, there's some stuff in here.
Like a watermelon.
A pizza?
That's not a pizza. That's tomato.
Oh.
That's a watermelon.
Lettuce?
This is random design. There's this big circle and this small circle.
Wait, is it dirt? Bagels?
I think I'm pretty sure there's donuts.
Bagels or
Whatever.
donuts?
But yeah, let's get started.
Hi-ya.
2, 1. We're gonna get started. 3, 2, 1. Guys, we are done with making our things, making our food using Play-Doh, and of course she had to use these colors because she blind. When she was blindfolded, she had to use it. And she chose those colors, and I chose these colors, which is pretty sad.
Yeah, and the green is all alone.
Yeah, no one
Sad
told us.
Green. Sad.
So we're gonna put this back here. So first off, rock paper scissors. Who has to shoot? Rock paper scissors. Who has to show theirs off first? Rock,
this is super weird.
rock,
if you guys say
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
that. I hate you. Okay, you gotta go first though.
No, I gotta choose.
You can only choose one person.
You're going first.
You can only choose one person.
You're going first.
So this is super weird, I should think. But I didn't find any right because there's no white Play-Doh. And I didn't choose it.
It can be a hot dog with frosting on it. With mustard.
But I tried to make a candy cane with no white. And
That's
this
pretty
is
sad.
like, this is supposed to be cheese. But I don't like this guy, so I just gotta change my mind and turn it into the thing where to put the roll of the strings.
Okay, so
And then my turn.
So mine, I made a cheeseburger. A hamburger. So I got the bun on the bottom and then the
That's boring.
hamburger, the burger, and the top bun.
That's really
And
bad.
for this, I actually made,
Sorry about that.
sorry, that was my sister.
I'm sorry. I was just doing this.
So I got some of these chocolate bagels or small chips, and I got 4 of those, and I got 2 of these cinnamon rolls. Well, not cinnamon rolls, but cinnamon chips that are circles. And yeah, vote in the comment section who won, me or my sister. Okay, hope you guys subscribe, you like, and
Also
click the bell for notifications when we make.
subscribe, and then you leave and eat my sandwich because it tastes so good. And then
So remember, you guys have to subscribe. Click the bell for notifications when we make it, so you know when we make a new video. And like, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Probably next time.
Bye.
Probably like
And
1
I'll
year until we
see
post the
you
next video.
soon.
Bye.
Bye, little punks.